Hey everybody, so we are back and I have the Life Enzyme Probiotic Prebiotic Enzyme Blend. Now this thing is, again, I'm telling you, it is great. It's a good product, but one of the things I said last night is this: if you can't test it, then it can't be trusted. So what we're gonna do tonight is we're gonna do a little example. I want to show you exactly how enzymes work. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open this guy up. Open up. This is just some regular pudding. Alright. I don't know if you can really see that, but anyway, it's just regular pudding. Got it from the store or whatever. No tricks or anything. So we take this pill, we open it up, put it in there. Alright. Imagine yourself, you're eating the pill while you're eating a meal. It's going down into your stomach. So I'm just going to sit here and go ahead and mix that. Again, enzymes are very important because they boost your immune health and they also break down the food inside of your stomach. And when that food is broken down, it breaks down onto basically a molecular level. And what that does is it makes it so your body can absorb more of the nutrients and the good stuff out of the food that you're eating. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what's happening right now is the enzymes are breaking up the pudding, and it's actually pretty incredible to watch. I love it. So that was, I don't know how many seconds that was, like 20 seconds or something. But we're gonna go ahead. See, here is that pudding that was nice and thick. Check it out. Sounds wonderful. Anyway, so that is exactly how enzymes work. They go in there, they break up the food, and it's able to now get distributed through the stomach lining in your stomach. I think it's amazing. Better yet, I really just want to capitalize on this moment to tell you that this Life Enzyme blend is perfect. It's a really good product. It's all natural. So you're eating a plant, all right? Can't tell you too many more good things about it because it's amazing. If you would like to try this, just go ahead and message me. Yeah, send a private message and I'll make sure you get some. And as always, my goal is to make sure that you look, feel, and are the best that you can be. Take care. Have a great weekend. Bye.